Yebo ingane impela sibona lapha ke ecaleni lika Senzo Meyiwa njengoba ke ufakazi ke sikubike kwacaca about ke Kelly Khumalo ke uyisuspect ke enkulu kulona ke leli cala bafuthi impela ke lokhu ke kuze imva ukuthi ke impela utholakala lapha ke inamba ke kafiso kuhle nkani mangaba ke beba na uxhumana phana ke naye ke Kelly Khumalo bafuthi impela ke ngishelwe kona ke okwenzeka phana ke enkantolo nani ke nizwele
ucingo oluphumayo ne-MTC ochaza ucingo olungenayo efonini.
Yeah, and just before you proceed, Colonel, can I just take you back to your first statement, Exhibit O in brackets 1, page 17. You mentioned that you received the Section 205 and the downloads from the investigating team. If you can just place on record just that information at the top of page 17.
That's correct. I received the downloads from Sergeant Muswana.
Sergeant
Muswana.
Okay.
Yes, just read the whole case reference.
Okay, case reference. It's Fosloris, case 636 of 10/2014.
Yes. Icala ke kunyali icala la Fosloris 636 of 2016. Lapho ngathi ngathola isection 2014.
Yeah.
Sorry, my lord. Lapho ngathola khona izicelo se205 nokuthi download okuvela ku Sergeant Mushwana.
Exhibit ID. That's a forensic bag. PA 500 208 7781.
Teleoke number ke ya lesisikhwama lesokalethwa ngaso.
Case operator, that's the guy who downloaded the cell phone. It's Sergeant Muswana.
Manje download le cell phone kwaku Sergeant Mushwana.
Device type is a ZTE V795.
Manje ke uhlobo ke lwa le cell phone kwaku ZTE V795.
The IMEI number of the handset 86330213762214.
Manje ke inombolo ke yala lamakhalekhukhwini IMEI number yakhona u86 33 72 02 13 76 215.
The serial number, they didn't complete the serial number. Cell phone number, it's 82 704 4358.
Manje ke lana ke I number ngale makhalekhukhwini ko 82 704 4358.
The name of the suspect, Kelly Khumalo.
Manje ke igama ke likamsolwa lapha uKelly Khumalo.
The date of birth and ID number, they also leave out, they didn't complete it.
Manje ke sengifakwe ukuthi wazalwa nini ID yakhe.
Offense, murder.
Manje ke icala kukhulunywa ngalo elokubulala.
Investigation officer, Lieutenant Colonel Neertling. That time he was involved.
Oyamseshi ngaleso sikhathi kwakuyi Lieutenant Colonel Neertling. Ngaleso sikhathi ke wayesekhona kulolu daba.
Then the unit is TOMS.
Yes. Thank you.
And unit, what's the unit name?
TOMS. TOMS.
Unit here with TOMS, TOMS.
And that cell phone number, is it complete?
That's correct.
But the cell phone number,
right, thank you. We can then get back to your affidavit, triple K6.
Okay. And I also want to mention to the court, Kelly Khumalo wasn't treated as a suspect. We concentrated on her as a person of interest.
But ngaleso sikhathi uKelly Khumalo wayengabona njengomsolwa kodwa wayebona njengomuntu ongaba nokuthiza angakusiza leli cala ngalo.
We did discover the number of Nkani, suspect number 5.
Sayithola ke inamba kaNkani umsolwa wesihlanu.
With number +27 73 305 9202.
Kuthiwa ke inamba ke kwaku2773 3005 9202.
This number is being confirmed by e-notice and bank statements of the suspect 5.
manje ke le number kwathola isiqiniseko sokuthi yakhe kwa e-notice waphinde watholakala futhi uma kusetshenziswa ama i-document zasebank ukuthi yakhe.
I just want